Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2x squared. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the natural log on both sides. So now we have ln of x to the power of x, and this is equal to ln of x to the power of 2x squared. Now, an important property of logarithms is that if we have something in the form ln to the power of ln of a to the power of b, we can actually move this exponent to the front. So this would be b times ln a. So this is exactly what I'm going to do to both of these. I'm going to move the exponent, which in this case is x, and 2x squared to the front of the logarithm. So now we have x times ln x is equal to 2x squared times ln x. Now if I factor out ln of x from this, I get ln of x times x minus 2x squared. And this is equal to 0. And now this gives me two equations. ln of x equals 0, as well as x minus 2x squared is equal to 0. For ln of x equals 0, this means that x is equal to 1. So this is one solution to this equation. And for x minus 2x squared equals 0, this is equal to x times 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. And this means that x is equal to 1 over 2, as well as x is equal to 0. However, x equals 1/2 is a solution. However, x equals 0 is not a solution, because if you plug this in, you get 0 to the power of 0, which that is not a defined value. So x equals 0 is not a solution. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 5 to the power of 101 minus 5 to the power of 100. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? And the same thing can be written vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So let's say we have 4 to the power of 3, right? And this means this can be written as 4 squared times 4 to the power of 1, because when you multiply these two, the exponents add up, and 2 plus 1 adds up to 3. So now what I'm going to do to 5 to the power of 101 is I'm going to rewrite it as 5 to the power of 100 times 5. And 5 is the same thing as 5 to the power of 1. And 100 plus 1 is 101, so Now we are going to subtract this with 5 to the power of 100. And now that both of these terms have 5 to the power of 100 in them, I'm going to factor out 5 to the power of 100. So now we have 5 to the power of 100 times, now 5 to the power of 100 times 5 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is simply just 5, minus 5 to the power of 100 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is 1. So we have 5 to the power of 100 times 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is simply 4. So now we have 4 times 5 to the power of 100. And this is going to be our answer.